Do you find it challenging to access your calendar in Gmail? Worry no more. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to open your calendar in Gmail with just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Gmail first. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Step 2. Tap on the 3 stacked lines. Next, tap on the 3 stacked lines located in the top left corner of the app. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Google Apps. Scroll down the menu until you see the Google Apps option and then tap on it. Step 4. Tap on Calendar. If you have the Google Calendar app already installed on your phone, you can tap on Calendar, and it will open up. If you don't have the app installed, the Gmail app will take you to the Google Play Store to download it. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, go back to Gmail and tap on Calendar again. Step 5. Tap on Open. Once you're in the Google Calendar app, tap on Open, and it will open up the app. Bonus tip. Add events to your calendar. To add events to your calendar, tap on the plus icon located at the bottom right corner of the app. Then, fill in the necessary details for the event, such as the title, date, time, and location. By following these simple steps, you can easily open your calendar in Gmail. If you don't have the Google Calendar app installed, the Gmail app will take you to the Google Play Store to download it. Don't forget to add events to your calendar to stay organized and on top of your schedule. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.